This is Divyanshi once again at the Bombay Automation Expo. And right now I'm having a very dashing, handsome, and charming person who is the CEO and entrepreneur as well. So we'll take a short introduction about him and what his brand tells to the world and what sort of work he is doing for the world. So please give us your introduction, sir.
I'm Jignesh Vagasi and founder of Naksh Technology Solution LLP. And basically, we are in industrial automation. We start our company in 2018 with giving the solution to the industry to provide a reliable, flexible, and cost-efficient solution to the industry. And we provide automation solution from different types of OEM machineries like plastic, packaging, pharma, converting, textile, and each every. Also, we provide the plant automation solution. So that is our core portfolio. And secondly, we are associated with more than 6+ global brands like Siemens, Schneider, Husin, Mitsubishi, and Rexona. So for this global brand with associate, we provide the material distribution all over the world and all over the India, and as well as we provide a solution and retrofitting job in large scale company like Reliance, Tata, Zydus, Sun Pharma. So that is our core expertise, and also we giving a totally solution based work like who have used this material and need a solution.
All right. So if I may ask you that, in which categories does your product falls out? Like which category of businesses can use your product, which can grow into the world as well, and in India also can become a very hype and a viral one. So what is your take on that?
Right now, the Indian industry, the main source is the semiconductor, and the semiconductor industry is growing in India, and the people of these industries who have to using this machinery, and they want to upgraded machinery. Also, packaging and flexible converting industry is also growing industry in the India because of their huge demand, and their industries depend on flexibility, and flexibility comes from automation. So for the industries, that is a next level tech to India, and also in our industries will help to them.
So if you don't mind, may I have a walkthrough of your
Yeah,
whole project? What
yeah.
is that? And if you can tell us more detail about this.
Basically, I will already tell you, we are the associated with the 6+ global brands, and one of them is Usin. So that is our product. This is the product can we can use in industrial where the manufacturers and the plant automation needs. So without this product, like PLC, HMI, drives, and all of things, so you cannot not giving any type of solution in the industry. So that is our core parts. So that some parts is also there, like if you want to do the automation, you have to use that part.
So what are all these? If you can explain us a
Yeah.
little bit for an
Yes.
Indian
So
customer.
basically, that is the PLC. If you consider as a human body, so that is our brain. Our brain work all of things that the PLC that do the all the automation. That is the brain of automation. And this is the HMI and IPCs. So we can interface the machine and plant with this device, and that is drives. And the drives can control the motor. And for this purpose of when you need to proper speed, you can use the drives. So that is then after cable connector, that is the different part. But that is the core parts you have to use in automation.
All right. So if I will ask you just a last question for you, what sort of government support did you got for building such a huge, if I say dynasty for yourself?
For as per my opinion, government need to support to in growing semiconductor industry in India more because of all of the in the expo, all of the companies come from outer like Europe, China, Japan, and USA. So no one company from Indian side. So government have to provide this type of facility. The Indian company come here and do the come in industrial automation industries like big companies, and they manufacture our products, so we can use the Indian product. And also I am happy that we are also starting our manufacturing unit in PLC in 2029. So that is our goal, and we have to plan on that.
All right. So just another more last question because I'm very much like enthusiastic for all these stuffs, though I'm a very tech savvy person, not.
Huh?
So here, just when you're saying you're coming up in 2029, don't you think that there will be more competitors for you because the competition is increasing in a very single second also?
Yes, exactly. But right now, the Indian electronics manufacturer have the main concern is that we have no semiconductor, and no semiconductor we cannot make any transistor. Without transistor, our product we cannot make. So that is the main purpose. We appreciate this government because of they take the initiative, take semiconductor plant to in India, and now semiconductor is manufactured. Then after transistor will manufacture. So main source we need a transistor. Then after we can make any types of chips and electronics devices.
All right, that was very informative, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your valuable time. And we wish that this could become a giant name in the worldwide. You could be a very like kind of a Hulk for the other giant names, and we wish for a good growth. Thank you so much for giving your time to the IITN.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.